Why do residents of French villages still shop the way they did in the 1950s?
Voilà.
That's the question I asked myself the first time I stepped into the market in Luneray, a small village in Normandy, in France. In the age of online shopping and express delivery, this French market operates exactly as it did decades ago. I traveled to Seine-Maritime in Normandy, 2 hours from Paris, to see this market with my own eyes, and what I discovered in Luneray surprised me. It's a typical French village market, the kind that held weekly in towns all across France. It's a blend of conviviality, routines, and a nice strolling among the stalls. Today, I want to take you along to the Luneray town square to show you why market plays such a vital role in French culture. Don't forget to support us by subscribing. Luneray is a small town situated in the Pays de Caux, 18 km southwest of Dieppe. Let's discover together the market and some of the local products. Even if we are up north in France, we can find exotic products. Olive cultivation has a long history in France. It is concentrated almost entirely in the Mediterranean south. It doesn't grow well everywhere because olive trees need mild winters and hot, dry summers. But French love to eat it, even up north of France, in appetizer especially, called apéritif. Thanks to its diversity and cultures, France is the land of cheese. It is estimated that there are between 250 and over 1,000 different cheese, depending on how regional varieties are counted. Comté, Roquefort, Camembert, Brie, Reblochon. The regional diversity is simply unmatched. And then there is the classical appetizer snack, sliced thin and served with bread, pickles and wine, often accompanied by other cured meat and cheese. Meat, the saucisson sec, a cured French sausage. In short, the French cousins of Italian salami and Spanish chorizo. Here, we are at the heart of the Luneray market. You can realize that the market takes all the streets. It is here, in the town center, that you find the places that bring this small town to life. The church, the town's old square, and the café-bar-tabac, a true local institution. This stall is a traiteur, a sort of French caterer. It prepares ready-made, high-quality dishes for purchase. However, the dominant philosophy in French markets is based on local and regional products, known as produits du terroir. This term refers to foods or drinks closely linked to a specific place, a product that could not be replicated exactly elsewhere. Produits du terroir are a point of pride in France. It is tied to regional identity, historical farming practice, and resistance to food homogenization. After spending the days at the Luneray market, I finally found the answer. It's not that the French are stuck in the past. It's what this market offers them some things a market never could. An authentic connection to the food. Every week, this market transforms a quiet village in Seine-Maritime into a gathering place. People don't come here just to buy vegetables or cheese. They come to chat, catch up with neighbors, and keep alive a tradition that goes back generations. And if a small French village can keep that going for over 100 years, maybe your neighborhood can too. If the videos make you think differently about your own local market, let me know in the comments. I really like to hear if you have a place like Luneray near you. And if you like the video, please subscribe to Tako Venture.